it's Morgan Christine. Thank you all for whoever has been subscribing. Let me know like what videos you like, especially my new subscribers. I hope you guys are having a good November so far. I'm sorry I sound very nasally. I've been suffering from allergies. Here in Ohio, we literally have the craziest seasons, and the weather is like hot, warm, cold, sometimes even freezing cold, so it messes with my allergies. I'm going to be doing a Christmas home tour. I did not do our upstairs just because the kitchen, living room, and dining room is our main living areas. And I hope you guys are still, like, any of my new people that are watching me, make sure you're subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so you know when I upload. I have uploaded 2 videos already today. This will probably go up tomorrow, just so you guys have something for Sunday. I'm sorry about the background, but let's get started. Okay, I think I'm going to turn on my brightness. Maybe not. Does it look okay? Okay. This is, I'm not going to even really edit this video at all. This is my daughter's last year's Santa hat, and I just loved being able to put it right there. I think that's from Dollar Tree. A mitten, tis the season, from Dollar Tree. This is also from Dollar Tree. I love the red. I think that's from Walmart. Let's see. I also put this like red tinsel right here. I also put garland and red tinsel up here on. There you go. The lighting is bad right now. I got silver, red, and gold, and there's a garland there. Sorry about the noise, you guys. Oh, it's horrible. This came from Dollar Tree. Not Dollar Tree, Walmart. It is very sparkly and beautiful. The pine cones I got from Family Dollar. I stuck some garland and stuff. This little pad came from TJ Maxx, and this bucket came from Dollar Tree. So did the candle. It is toasted marshmallow. My little pad like thing came from Dollar Tree as well. Let's back up a minute. I also decorated my little tray here with some red garlands. I did up here as well. I loved these little lights, but they are very short. Watch what you get at Dollar Tree because it can be kind of short. That's why we have this plug-in. It looks very ugly, but it's just gonna have to happen. No, this is not my daughter. I have to put a picture of her in it to hang there. This is my daughter. These we created last year. Yes, I know they're weird. And I put that vase up there. That is my stepson. That is my fiance and me. But then this, I love this part. It's very pretty. These don't work, the lights in here, but I just put this like ribbon. I just liked how the flowers kind of tied in. To me it does. It might look ugly to you guys, but I'm very like traditional sometimes. I am so sorry about the noise. Again, I tied in the ribbon around our stairs and white lights. This is my stepson's stocking, my daughter's stocking. The elf made me do it. Everybody got a candy cane. This is my fiance's and mine. Then all the way I got a Christmas blanket. This is kind of Christmassy. I have garland wrapped around our TV, candle burning. I can't remember what this is. I'll put it like right here, so I might have to edit it a little bit. I'm watching Jessie at Home. I don't know. I really like her video so far. This is our tree. I'll step back. The tree skirt is from Family Dollar. I'll link the video of my haul that's in. That came from like Walmart, I believe. I'm not sure. This is the tree. It's not very nice, but we put candy canes and stuff. Love that. Let me show you guys my door sign. I have to get one for our back door. I just got one for the front. I hope you guys loved that little video of my Christmas home tour. I'm sorry it was so noisy. I live in a neighborhood where there's a bunch of kids playing and stuff, so you know, you hear it in the background music. Oh, it's terrible when you want to film. I will try to cut it out. But also, if you guys like music in videos like this, or like cleaning videos, if you like just music, let me know. Or do you want me to talk half and half? And then also, how, like, do you like long videos, short videos? Let me know. Give me an idea of what you like. I like seeing your guys' comments. And also follow me on my social media. It's always in the description below. I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. For now.